Welcome to the recorded demo video of Property Tax Management System for Jan Suvidha Kendra. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the Admin Login option on the system interface to access the admin functions. Upon selecting Admin Login, a list of modules will be displayed. Select the Property module from the available options. Upon selecting the module, the user will be directed to the login page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, then click on the login button. After clicking the login button, the user will be redirected to the property home page on the JSK dashboard. The JSK dashboard provides an overview of application summaries and options for related actions on the property home page, including applied applications, total collection, collection report, search applications, recent applications, and apply assessment. The user can view the details of recent applications by navigating to the View option in the SAF applied list. Upon selecting the View option, the property details will be displayed. To view the demand details, click on the Demand Details option. By clicking on the View Receipt option, the user can view the payment receipt for the holding tax. To obtain the payment receipt, click on the Print button. To apply for a new assessment, select Apply New Assessment under the Apply section on the JSK dashboard to access the application form. After selecting the Apply New Assessment, the user will be redirected to the Apply New Assessment application form. The Apply New Assessment application form will display detailed information about the required fields for your convenience. The user must fill in all the required basic details in Step 1 of the application form, including old ward number, new ward number, ownership type, property type. After completing all the required basic details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 2, the user must fill in all the required property address and details in the application form, including Khata number, plot number, village or Mauja name, area of plot, in decimal, road width, in feet, PIN code, building name, street name, location, landmark, property address. If the corresponding address is the same as the property address, tick the checkbox and then proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 3, if there is no electric connection, please uncheck the relevant option. Otherwise, the user must fill in the required details, including electricity K number, building plan approval number, building plan approval date, water consumer number, water consumer date. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 4, click the Add Owner button to access the Add Owner form. The user must fill in all the required owner details in the application form, including owner name, gender, date of birth, guardian, father or husband name, relation, mobile number, Aadhaar number, PAN number, email. Select Yes under Armed Forces if applicable, otherwise, select No. Select Yes under Specially Abled if applicable, otherwise, select No. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Add Owner button. The user can add multiple owners by repeating the same method. Upon adding the owner, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 5, Click the Add Floor button to access the Add Floor form. The user must fill in all the required floor details in the application form, including floor name, usage type, occupancy type, construction type, built-up area in square feet, from date. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Add Floor button. The user can add multiple floors by repeating the same method. Upon adding the floor, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In step 6, the user must fill in all the required additional details in the application form, including zone. Select Yes if the property has mobile towers, otherwise, select No. Select Yes if the property has hoarding boards, otherwise, select No. Select Yes if the property has a petrol pump, otherwise, select No. Select Yes if the property has rainwater harvesting provisions, otherwise, select No. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. All the completed details will be displayed for final review and consent before submission, along with the total payable amount. Click on the Submit button to complete the final submission. The form has been successfully submitted. A confirmation message will be displayed along with the total tax amount, details, and the option to payment. Click on the Pay button to initiate the payment. The user will be asked for confirmation. After successful payment, a confirmation message will be displayed along with options to view receipt and view application. Proceed by clicking on the View Receipt option to access the payment receipt. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.